Hello again. Brandon wants to check out the train because he likes it so much. So we're back here checking out the facility. Okay, you want to take a look? Whoa! What do we have here? And more train stuff, eh? Sitting on the seat. Some dials and levers.
I'll sit down too.
Wow, neat, eh, buddy? Okay. Wow, big seat, eh? You want to turn it? Can we turn this? Oh.
Yeah. See, there's never been the wood stuff.
Wow. Yeah, the yellow thingy. And dials.
This is not for driving.
Ready to get down?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Là-dedans, ça doit être le feu.
Oui.
C'était l'endroit pour faire le feu.
Okay. Well, what are we doing?
Mais non, c'est pas grave. Elle peut toucher. Fais attention à la série, le plan de photo. C'est cool,
Merci.
là? Bon, c'est pas
Lana. One more time. Okay.
Fire valve.
Whoa.
Oh, Charlie Brown, là. T'as
Take a picture.
Wow.
OK, un côté. Parfait. OK, good. Go.
Okay.
See the hair?
Okay, no. So, jump down. Ready? Wow. Okay, I think I'm going to take a picture, okay? So we'll end the video for now. Say goodbye to everybody. Wait, you going to say goodbye to everybody? Bye.